pressure is increased, right? So system moves towards decreased pressure. Does that make sense? System wants to move towards decreased pressure. Everyone with me so far? Yeah.
So we have to like say if it moves closer to an ideal gas or not?
Yeah, that's the thing. That's a separate question.
Okay.
In this one, we are just looking at you change equilibrium. How will the equilibrium shift? Change conditions. How will equilibrium shift? Ideal gas, and also the other thing that comes into play is stoichiometry. Here we are saying we'll reduce H2, we'll increase H2, reduce, but which way will the equilibrium shift depends a lot on how much substance is available and is it stoichiometrically favorable for that. But that we won't look at. As of now, this is very qualitative. Did I answer your question? Yeah. Okay. So when you decrease volume, pressure increased. So system moves towards decreased pressure. How will you know which side is less pressure? How will you know which side is less pressure? Even more fundamental than that. Less moles of gas. More gas moles, more pressure. Remember we learned about it last semester? More gas, more pressure. Less gas, less pressure. So in this case, where will it move? Decreased pressure. Where is decreased pressure? Is it this side or this side? Here there are 4 moles, here there are 2 moles, correct? So decreased pressure is towards ammonia. In this reaction it is towards ammonia, meaning it will move towards forward direction. Everybody with me? Questions?
I thought it, like, my mind was just like, obviously molecules are closer in proximity, so they would react.
Yes, they would react, but we are now looking at qualitative analysis only.
Yeah.
If you move into, yes, they are close together, yes, they'll react, yes, the activation energy will reduce, yes, there will be stoichiometric implications, a bunch of things will happen. So we are saying that it will move in the forward direction, doesn't mean it will happen. It will happen only if all other conditions are favorable. This is just our knowledge of, do we know what is the consequence if we disturb this? Everything favorable, yes, it will move towards the forward direction. But let's say if there's not enough nitrogen and ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen. Say for example, there's not enough nitrogen and hydrogen. The analysis is yes, it will move forward. But if there's no enough reactants for it to stoichiometrically happen, it won't happen. Does that make sense? So at this point, it's qualitative. And that's what that student was asking too. Well, shall we talk about at one point it will become an ideal gas? Maybe it will, maybe it will not. But for this part, we are just looking at, if we disturb an equilibrium, do we know what the consequences? Make sense? Yeah.
So when you decrease the volume, pressure increases, right?
Say that again.
When you decrease volume, pressure increases.
Uh-huh.
So I can't understand, like, so why would the system move towards decreased pressure?
No. So by decreasing volume, you increased pressure. So that's the disturbance you caused. The disturbance you caused is the increased pressure. So system will try to decrease that pressure.
Oh, okay.
Right? So that's the immediate reaction. If I say there is a pop quiz, there is an immediate reaction. No, we don't want a pop quiz. But after that, what happens? So there's consequences for that, right? So there's steps for that. So immediate step is You increase pressure, system wants to decrease pressure. How will it decrease pressure? By moving towards that side of the reaction where there is less pressure. Where there is less pressure? There is less pressure where there is less number of gas moles. In this case, it is towards ammonia. In another case, it might be reverse. We don't know. So every time you answer these questions, you have to look at what reaction it is, how many moles on reactant side, how many moles on product side, is it exo, endo, and what is the stoichiometry. Making sense? Okay. For a first order reaction, do you like this system though? I'm trying to finish concepts first, and I'm doing questions in terms of like review just before exam. I'm thinking that will help a little bit because I know you like to see questions just before exam. I've never followed this before, so let's see if it will help. Okay, so say first order reaction. What will be on the y-axis? What will be on the x-axis?
Axis
time.
Concentration on y-axis.
Natural logarithm of concentration of what? A. A. And what will be on x-axis? Time. What is the nature of the reaction? Is it a straight line passing through origin? Is it downward slope? Upward slope?
Negative slope.
Negative
downward
slope.
slope.
Downward slope like this. What is y-intercept?
It's
Natural log of
yeah,
concentration
LN0.
of A
A0.
is 0.
Natural log of A0. So what is the equation?
Natural log of A
Natural log of AT is
AT.
equal to
negative KT
negative KT
natural log of A0.
plus natural log of A0. Everyone with me?
If it asks us that on the exam and you don't put L in,
You have to put L because in second order there is no natural log. Second order is purely concentrations, no natural logarithm there. Do you remember that?
yeah.
So you must know units for K, important. You must know nature of the graph. Like I'll give you a graph like this and I'll say is this first order, second order or third order or zero order. Yeah?
So we have to get
Everyone with me? So picture for kinetics, equilibrium, acids, bases, all these things, questions with pictures are important, which is why I try to do some pictures questions today. Did you all finish homework? Or is it due today?
It's due
It's
today.
due today.
If everybody submitted it, I can release it. I can release the answer. I mean, was it auto-graded? No, it's not auto-graded. Something else I was going to ask you. Do you all see quiz 1? Grades? Exam 1? Grades? Did they finish quiz 2?
Yes.
They did?
Oh, they did?
Quiz 1 is still not in? I thought we released it that day. We released it. Okay, then maybe. How many of you all are seeing quiz 1? We released it that day.
Quiz 2 is up and not quiz 1.
Quiz 2. Quiz 1 is not up?
It's like nothing. It doesn't even show up.
It doesn't show.
She saw it.
So much worse.
How about the others? Quiz 1? You see it?
So
How many of you see quiz 1? Oh, it's out of my hands. All these students are seeing it. It's there.
Quiz 2 is up
I'm not checking
in
it.
exam 1, but not quiz 1.
How can some students see and some students can't see?
I don't know this one, but I just checked right
Because two classes back, last
Hold on.
Wednesday, some students came and told me. So we went back and checked and made sure it's up. Okay, so homework 3, was it tough or was it, homework 3 is very similar to the exam.
The
How many of you finished it?
Because we didn't have tutoring Friday, I wanted to wait to submit it to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
Yeah, I had like one question on that.
Okay, today I'm going to not go to STEM center, I'm going to be here. Right after this, I'm just going to sit here because there's a big high stakes meeting for me somewhere close by. In this cold, I'm not going to STEM center. I cannot walk up to STEM center. I'm going to be here in these couches and you can sit with me and work until 10 or so. 10:15 I'll start walking towards that building. And I have a lab after that, but tomorrow, well, I'm going to release answers for homework 3 today. I have a lab tomorrow from 9 to 12. Anybody wants to see me after that? I'll be in my office. But I'm officially hiding, so you have to knock on the door. And if I'm there, you will feel my presence. Okay? I'm very sorry about today. If you have any complaints, direct them towards Marta, not me. I lost 5 pounds running everywhere. But thank you so much for waiting and thank you for checking the announcements.
I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna sit.
Yeah, there was some tricky ones. I figured